Hi, I'm Randy, and this is my YouTube channel, Randy's Adventures. I am so thrilled you're here. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button below so we can adventure together. I've got a real fun unboxing today. We're gonna install the RVlock keyless handles on our little guy Max RV. And I'm really excited about this. Let's take a look inside. Looks like we've got some literature, some instructions, rebate, and a sticker. Oh, and here's the key fob. And it comes with some brackets. And there we go. That's what it looks like. It's really heavy. So I hope it's gonna be really heavy duty. All right, let's get this thing installed. First, we're gonna take off the existing door lock. The lock is removed. Oh, we're making a connection. Now we're screwing the lock into the door. So press in 1, 2, 3, 4 and hit lock. And then it's locked. And then you press 1, 2, 3, 4 to unlock it. Now we got the long confirmation. Key in the default code. So you have to key in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, key in the new code and press the lock button. This is gonna be real handy. We just punch in our 4-digit code and hit lock, or we punch in our 4-digit code and hit unlock. Also, to lock it quickly, you just hold down the lock button for 2 seconds and the door will lock automatically. I'm pretty excited about this RV upgrade. It's gonna be very useful in our day-to-day RVing. We installed the RVlock because we were just tired of having to worry about a key. If we would leave just to go outside and want to lock the door, just to go for a quick walk or something, I was always concerned that I would leave without a key, and I no longer have to worry about that. So I am really excited about this new RVlock that we've installed. An afterthought reason for installing the RV keyless lock was I learned that most RVs have the same key that opens everybody's doors and storage compartments. It's a universal key known as CH751, and if CH751 is stamped onto your key, it means that your entry, your door, and your storage compartments can be opened by anybody else that has this key, and is a very popular key that most manufacturers use. So yeah, kind of crazy that my key could probably open your RV door. I did not check our key before I disposed of it after we replaced our lock, so I don't know if our key was the CH751 key, but from what I've researched and read, it's highly likely that it was, because most RVs that have been manufactured within the past 10 years use this key. Have you installed an RV keyless lock? And if so, have you loved it? Let me know in the comment section below.